Meat.
Yes.
Does it have a mane?
No.
Oh, so it's not like.
Good guess though, too.
Does it have stripes?
No.
Oh, so it's not a zebra.
That might be a tiger.
I'm pretty sure it eats meat. Sure. Yes.
It does have stripes.
No, it doesn't have stripes. Hang on.
Does it
just
have-
after animal game?
Does it have a long tail?
No.
I'm trying to think of animals that eat meat in the jungle, apart from lions and tigers.
No, they don't live in there. They live in
I don't know. Give us a clue. Is it brown?
The next station
Yes.
is Cheam.
Brown. Oh, I've had a good idea.
This is coach number 2.
Do they-
8.
Like honey?
No.
Oh,
Oh, so it's not a bear.
no.
These like honey. These do.
Bees like honey, Bubs.
That's quite cute.
It's a film, actually, not a picture. This is Hal's biggest smile. I think it might be the biggest smile in the land.
I don't know what that could be.
Hello. Cheese. Cheese. Cheese.
Tess, say what special day it is today.
What?
It's my birthday.
And how? And yes, we do know. Yes, and how old? I'm keen to guess. Are you 14?
No.
No, not today. Perhaps you're 3.
No.
No. Could it be? Does your age rhyme with sticks?
Yeah.
Oh, Tootie, tell your poem.
Oh,
When I was 1, I did it again. But now I'm 2. Kevin.
No, you're too fast. When I was 2,
I was having
when I was 3.
Welcome aboard. the
When I was 3, I was having me.
When I was
Oh, I was having not much more.
when I was 5.
and dorking.
I was having like.
But now
But now I'm 6. I'm 11. I'm forever and ever.
the end.
crazy.